GAT Shield allows admins to view and audit the inactive devices of their users within the organization. The alert rules section in Shield gives admins the power to create multiple different alerts for different types of user behavior. To create an alert for inactive devices, first navigate to the alert rules section in the configuration area of GAT Shield. Next, select the Add from a Template drop-down menu and then choose Inactive Device. Make sure the Active checkbox is enabled and then choose the scope of users who will be affected by this alert rule. To select all users in the domain, choose user org and leave a / symbol. Also make sure to include sub-org units. For scope exclusions, you can include any users or OUs that you do not want to be affected. In the Trigger After field, you can add the number of days the device needs to be inactive before the alert is triggered. You can add multiple alerts, for example, one for 30 days of inactivity and another for 60 days. For the notification webhook, this can be used as a Google Chat webhook instead of an email sent to the recipient. Please check the description of this video to find out more about this feature. Lastly, input the list of users who will receive a notification when the alert is triggered. When finished, click Save. The alert will be set and triggered after a device has not been used for more than the selected time. That covers this GAT Shield how-to. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.